This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 44 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're doing the bar I think it's a steering bar by the looks of this. I haven't looked at the words in the magazine to find out for sure. So I've dug out the two wheels. I've carefully examined the pictures in the build to get them the right way around. So that's how we're going to be doing. I will mention before I get on with the building, in this pack I did receive a second binder. Much the same as the other, you put these through the middle of each magazine, which is convenient because I just filled up the last one with the last issue. So this will start this issue with this magazine. So let's get to it. We've got two screws to hold the steering bar together. One there and one there. Put that aside for keeping spare. I have carefully arranged these in the correct orientations already. Save me getting it wrong and doing it all hideously unconnected. So that one goes in there. That one, I'll just roll it over. Goes there with that bit going downwards, just like the other side did. So that goes through there. That should be that. Let's get those tightened up. Although they're tight, they do still move. Steering will interact. We're going to need, excuse me, throat today, two of these 04 screws to hold them onto the wheels. So yeah, they go on. Now this is where it's a little bit misleading in the picture. It shows it, put it on that one, but then it shows it on the other one. So they're actually not going on the front one. They're both going onto the outlier pieces there. So that's going on there like that with one of these screws. Get that through there, into there, onto there. A bit like that. I shall hold that in a better orientation to get that tightened up on there momentarily. Let's get the other side connected first. So this is going on to the back one there, like that. Move that around so I can get to it more easily. There we have it. That is that. And let's tighten up first one. Just like that. Here we go. So then we have that pictured in the last picture down there like that. So we've got a little bit of the steering rack on that side. And obviously it's going to hinge on the other one there. Those bits going up there. So that is it. Another issue completed. Next time we're going to be adding to this. And indeed adding to the frame. And then the time after we'll be adding these to the frame itself. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you soon for more very, very soon. Bye bye for now.